Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Correct Your Salah Pronunciation Week 5. Today, inshallah, we'll learn salawat, dua, and salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Let's take one phrase at a time. اللهم صل على محمد. Remember to make the lam in the name of Allah heavy. Allahumma. We see a mim shadda. Whenever you see a mim shadda or a noon shadda, remember to do a small ghunna. Allahumma salli. Make sure you pronounce the sod heavy and do not pronounce it as seen. Salli ala. Bring your ayn, not hamza. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Pronounce the ha, not ha. Muhammad. Once again, we see mim shadda, do a small ghunna, a little ghunna. Muhammad. And if you're going to stop at Muhammad, then make sure to bounce your dal. Muhammad. But if you wish to join it with the next letter, then you're going to read it as Muhammadin. Muhammadin. You're going to merge the sound of tanween with the next letter, which is waw. Muhammadin wa ala. Once again, pronounce your ayn. Wa ala ali Muhammad. Kama sallayta. Kama. All the letters are light. Make sure to prolong the meme. Kama sallayta. Make your sod heavy and lam light. Sallayta ala Ibrahim. Ba has sukoon, so bounce it. Ib. Don't say Ibrahim. Ba, you will bounce it. Then ra has fatha, hence it's going to be read heavy. Ibrahim. كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى. Once again your ayn. وعلى آل إبراهيم. إنك. Noon shadda, so do a ghunna. إنك حميد. Your ha needs to be very clear. حميد. We have tanween followed by meme, so merge them. Hamidum. And do a little bit of a ghunna. Nasalization. Hamidum Majid. Bounce your dal. Allahumma barik. Once again, the lam in the name of Allah will be heavy. Allahumma. Mim shadda, so do a bit of a ghunna. Allahumma barik. Ra will be light because it has kasra, zir. Barik. Kaf has sukoon. So just like we learned in Allahu Akbar, here also we will release some breath on kaf. Let your breath flow. Barik. Barik. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Kama barakta. Barak. Kaf has sukoons. Once again, let your breath flow. Kama barakta ala Ibrahim. Once again, your ayn needs to be very clear. Ala ib. Bounce your ba and make ra heavy. Ibrahim. Wa ala ali Ibrahim. Innaka Hamidum Majid. This is a repetition. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Once we are done with the salawat, then we can make any dua. The most common duas are ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. Make sure your ra in Rabbana is heavy. Rabbana and a prolonged noon sound at the end. Rabbana atina. Once again, will be 2 count. Atina. Noon will be 2 count. Rabbana atina fid dunya. Fid dunya hasanatan. Make sure your ha is nice and clear. حسنة وفي الآخرة وفي الآخرة. Make your ra heavy. That's it. وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا. وقنا. Make your qaf heavy. Don't pronounce it وقنا. Make it heavy. وقنا قي قي. وقنا عذاب النار. Your ain shouldn't be mixed with hamza. Do not say azaban nar and bring your tongue out for dal. If you keep it back, it become azab, za. No. Adha. That's the correct sound. Azaban nar. We see anun shadda, so once again we know we'll do some ghunna nasal sound. The other dua that's most commonly read is رَبِّ اجْعَلْنِي مُقِيمَ الصَّلَاةِ وَمِنْ ذُرِّيَّتِي رَبَّنَا وَتَقَبَّلْ دُعَاء رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لِي وَلِوَالِدَيَّ وَلِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ يَوْمَ يَقُومُ الْحِسَابُ رَبِّ. Okay, now make sure when you're pronouncing your ra, make it heavy. Rabbi. Don't say Rabbi ja'alni. Rabbi ja'alni. No, Jim doesn't have fatha. Jim has sukoon. So you will bounce it. Rabbij. Do not say Rabbi ja'alni. Okay? Rabbi ja'alni. Bring your ayn. Rabbi ja'alni. Muqima salati. Qaf is going to be heavy. Muqima salati. Make your sword heavy, but in attempt to making sword heavy, please do not make your lam heavy. Do not say solo. No, sola. Control your tongue. Sola. Make your sword heavy, lam light. Muqim as-salati wa min dhurriyati. If you can, then please hide your noon here. Say wa min. Do not read your noon clear. Do not say wa min dhurriyati. You have to hide it and do a little bit of a ghunna. Wa min dhurriyati. Bring your tongue out for dhal. Don't keep your tongue behind the teeth. Wa min dhurriyati. Rabbana. Make your ra heavy. Rabbana wa taqabbal. وَتَقَبَّلْ. Only qaf is going to be heavy. Rest all letters are light in this word. وَتَقَبَّلْ دُعَا. Dua. Bring your ayn. Dua. And you're going to cut your sound because you're ending on hamza. So hamza will automatically get a sukoon because you're stopping there. So you're going to cut your sound. Dua. رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لِي. Make your ra heavy. Ghain is also a heavy letter. رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لِي. This time ra is going to be light. رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لِي وَلِوَالِدَيَّ. Wali. We have 2 vowels coming. Make sure to circle your lips. وَلِوَالِدَيَّ وَلِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. Once again we see hamza with sukoon. Whenever you see hamza with sukoon, you have to cut your sound. وَلِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ يَوْمَ يَقُومُ الْحِسَابُ. Do not say yawma, yo. No, circle your lips for wow. يَوْمَ يَقُومُ الْحِسَابُ. At this point, you can recite as many du'as as you want. You're performing an obligation which is loved by Allah. So end your obligation with asking Allah. Once you're done with all du'as, then the salam. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu, all the letters are light. Alaykum, it's not alaykum. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatu wa rah. Do not say wa rah. Wa rahmatullah. This time the lam in the name of Allah will be heavy. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah.